Meaning of hypothetical.
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 Hypothetical. Hypothetical refers to something that is based on a hypothesis, assumption, or supposition rather than being factual or proven. It is usually used to describe imaginary, theoretical, or speculative situations that are not based on real-life experiences or observations. When someone talks about hypothetical scenarios, they are usually discussing possibilities that are based on their own assumptions rather than actual facts. Hypothetical situations may be used in debates, discussions, or thought experiments to explore different outcomes or to test the validity of a particular theory or argument.